how to use two Hikvision door station in one Hikvision indoor station. To do that, you're gonna need iVMS 4200. You're gonna need SADP tool. As you can see here, I got it already installed. On my network, I got two indoor stations, which are two small screen, and I got two outdoor screen. Okay. So when you open iVMS, the first thing you open iVMS, you come to device management. Make sure first you do the configuration of the indoor station with the master. So it's gonna be two door station here. So I got one door station. I got two indoor station. I'm gonna add my other door station. I'm gonna find it on my iVMS. If I go to SADP tool, this is the one here. This is the IP 92. Come to just use online devices, which is more faster. So the IP is 92. 92. This is the one here. It's my outdoor station. I'm gonna add it. I'm gonna call it close. You can synchronize the time if you want. I'm gonna add it. You can see it here. Right now it's offline. Now it's online. So I got two door station, one and two. So I'm going to choose one of those one here as my main door station, as the master. Okay. So I'm gonna select this one here. I'm gonna make this one my main. So you just come with this here operation. Under operation, click setting. Before you do that, make sure you have already done the configuration between the main door station, which is the master, and you done the configuration between this one and the indoor station. When you ring, so you can answer and you can hear the indoor station ringing. When you press the button on the door station, it must ring on one of your indoor station. Remember, you can even have 5 indoor stations ringing for 2 door station. Okay. So from here, you can change the name from here. If you want to on device name. You go to device management. Okay. So from device management, we are going to add our second door station. Okay. So when you click add, don't leave it as an indoor station. Just say sub door station. Okay. You enter your password, registration number, registration password. The password is the same. Remember, when you activate any Hikvision devices, they're gonna always ask you a password. So you must put that password. So from here, they're asking me the serial number of my subdoor station. Okay. The sub-door station is going to be the second door station, which is this one here. So this is the serial number. If you got SADP tool, you select the device, it shows you serial number. I copy the serial number, and then I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna paste my serial number. You can still go to SADP tool. This is the IP address. Select, copy. I'm gonna paste the IP. The subnet 255.255.255.0. Default gateway 192.168.100.1. I'm gonna call it floor 1, 255, 255, 255, and I'm gonna click OK. Something wrong here, 255. As you can see, this serial number is already exist. That means I already added it here. This is the one, as you can see here. Okay. So when you're done, you select it. As you can see here, I got already one indoor station that I have already added. If I select, when you're done, you save it. Come to Intercom. Make sure it's door station floor 10. Click session setting. From here, you enter your password and save. Don't change nothing here. Okay, when you're done, you close it. Now we're done our main door station with the master. So the second thing we are going to do now is go to the door station number 2, which is this one here. Under operation, you click setting. You can change also the name here. Come to intercom. It shows also on the door station. Go to session. Now from here, the IP address that you are going to put here is going to be the IP address of the main door station. Okay, that the one we did the configuration the first time. So it's gonna be this IP address here, this one here. So this is the main door station. So this is the master. So we are going to tell the second door station is must rely on this main door station. So we're gonna put the IP address of this door station. So in my case, it's the IP address, and then you click save. Okay, so when you're done, last thing to do is to go to the indoor station. Under operation, you click remote configuration. Come to network, group network. From here, you enter the password. Okay, enter your password. You put the IP address of your door station, and then you save. I'm gonna test it. This is the door station number 1. So the master door station, when I press here, it's ring on 2 screen, 2 indoor screen. So if we press also the button on the other door station, number 2, which is the slaves, and there's 2 screen indoors going also to ring. Okay, I'm gonna go do it that side.